This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Okay, well, that's good. I'm gonna cut all of that out. My mic was muted. So what I did say, one of the most important things I said was raise your cup of coffee. It's a new day, new opportunities. And every day is like a reset. You come in fresh opportunities. So there's no reason to blow an account. Set a PDLL for your accounts and keep them safe. Because every day starts fresh. Every day is like a reset that you don't have to pay for. Think of it that way. Okay, so we'll have to clean that up. Good morning, Skeletor. How you doing this morning? Set this up. Really? Okay. Oh, okay, so you know what? I'm going to be trading Project X. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay, I see how you do it now. There we go. I think I'm going to start off the day with Project X. See how it goes. Try to make a little bit of money on that. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I was saying how every day is a new opportunity and every day is like a fresh reset that you don't have to pay for. Keep your losses small on an individual trade basis. Market's opening in 15 seconds. Keep your overall risk small in the account for the day with a PDLL. And if you hit it, you hit it. You come back the next day, it's like a fresh reset. You won't even remember what happened. Okay, let me join the bid here and see. Order filled. Run. Run, little market, run. Let's go. Oh, I like that. 72. Order filled. That was a quick $63. Very good. First trade in the books. Yeah, people don't realize it. I mean, they do realize it when they come in the morning. But they don't realize it when they're trading. When they go on tilt. They're not thinking ahead. They're not thinking far enough into the future to say, you know what, tomorrow I come back, it's a new day. Keep the loss small. But how it works better, honestly, is if you have multiple accounts. So if you lose a little bit on one account, you just go back to the other one. I'm bidding 87. We'll see what happens. Hopefully we come down a little bit. I want it to happen quite quickly because sometimes we just go down and then we forget to come back up. It's a complete reversal of direction. I think I'm going to cancel it. I only did it for a one lot. Figured I was going to do a little bit of a scalp there. I think I'm going to remind people on an ongoing basis during the stream every day. Stay calm. Tomorrow's a new day. Tomorrow's a free reset. Keep your losses small. Should have that streaming across the top in red instead of that disclaimer. So, Omnius is starting soon. Two-minute opening range. That was the alarm. I don't think it played, but that was the alarm for it. That trade usually does good. Oh, you know what? I don't have on my one. Oh, I'm on the 30-minute chart. No wonder. I was going to say I didn't have. Oh, Jesus Christ, that's terrible. I was going to say what I don't have on my chart is the the range on the 1 minute candles, but I have it now. It's 11 points. I can't begin to tell you how discouraging that is. Markets are strong. I think
Order
I'm going to
filled.
join the bid. We opened above. We closed above. Let's see if I can get about 6 points. It's 8. Target is 14, I guess, for a 2 lot. I think that's how Omnius does it on his bot. Let's mark 9:30 on the chart so we know where the opening is. What the hell kind of line is that? I need a vertical line. Yes, Sparky, I hear you. What the hell are you doing? That's my and I don't know what he's doing. There's something behind me that he's having a heart attack with. Yeah, don't break it, Sparky. I hear you. Good morning, sunshine. I'm on your stream enjoying the market melodies. You know what? Let's take another join the bid.
Order filled.
Order filled. We're still hoping that the 2 minute opening range works out for us. I got another bullish candle at 206, so that tells me we should be trading to 213 with a 73% probability. Let's hope that percentage probability plays out. Maybe I should lighten the load. A 4 lot is a lot to have for a large stop. This is the opening range
Order
break.
filled.
And it has a large stop, has the other range as the stop. So you know what? We'll let this go. We'll take a 2 lot out, improve our price. If this trade stops out with if this trade stops out with a red Renko bar, I'm still going to stay in it because I'm using the opposite end of the 2 minute range as my stop in this case. I think that's correct, right, Omnius?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Sounds good to me. I don't know what you're talking about, but if you like it, I like it.
Omnius was late. He was deciding which hat to wear.
I wear the same hat every day.
Then why were you late?
Life happens.
Were you enjoying a good breakfast? Hey, Wood Chip.
Wood Chip, good morning. Yeah. You can't show up on time. Just show up whenever you can, right? He's like,
I'm thinking.
You're fired. What are we looking at?
Okay, if I have spelling mistakes, don't blame me. Well, right now I'm trading the 2 minute opening range. But it's not going anywhere. And I was only going for half. I was going for like 6 points. Got in at 09 originally. So
Yep.
still working on that play.
You ever notice how when you're running late and you're trying to hurry up, like everything keeps slowing you down?
It's crazy. You find out how many little things you have to do.
Yeah, it's like, yeah, we can move along. Just come on.
Your screen's just went black. Oh, there we go. Howard, it's my Omnius. Okay, okay. I gotta get rid of fake omnius while I'm watching my trade there. You know what? Let me get rid of a one lot, and then we'll get rid of fake omnius. Join the ask.
Order filled.
Order filled. I don't know if you heard that. I'm doing not bad here. You know what? I'm going to take it. Join the ask.
Order filled.
That's the 13. That's the 14. Okay, day P&L 106. Very good. That's for daytraders.com. One-time eval fee, not monthly.
Anybody I didn't get because Mike showed up late. Good morning.
Yeah, if anybody didn't catch that. If anyone's joining now, Mike showed up late.
So how easy it is to change the narrative.
If only you could see my pre-market analysis. Done for the day. Wow. What chip looks like he really liked his pre-market analysis? Skeletor is done for the day. Guys,
Dang.
Everybody's killing it.
What was going on over there on a Monday?
What are you doing? Oh, I'm chewing on my wire. No wonder.
I guess what they say, the early bird gets the worm.
Early bird gets the worm. Yeah, wow. Did I try to be early today?
Me too. I think the earlier I try to be, the later I am.
I'm thinking I should do with maybe Skeletor. I don't know about what chip if he took a big trade, but I trade very good on the open usually. I usually catch that first move. Sometimes I don't, but then you just hit your PDLL. But usually I do. Should trade larger and just let it go.
I know what's going on. They're trying to trick me. So let me ask the important question of the morning. I don't know if you've answered it yet or not. Bama, good morning. Rollover, not rollover?
Oh, you're right. I wanted to bring that up 15 times. Let's see. I keep forgetting. Here we are. Market Analyzer. 159 to 153. Today it's optional. Tomorrow it will be rollover for sure. I know that with 100% experience. Now let's get rid of Screaming.
It looks like Trading View has not rolled over yet. Kind of scares me because I went ahead and rolled over my Ninja Trader. I don't know.
You could. Either way is good. 159, 159. What's the difference?
The volume split.
Yep.
If I got the bot trade going on in a few minutes. I don't know if I should turn it off for today, wait for the volume.
I don't know. I wouldn't say so.
Some people don't trade on these days. They wait for a few days.
Nah.
I'm not saying you have to wait. I'm just saying it does tend to have like weird stuff happen in the market. Whatever. I'll leave it. Now I can mark it down on my data sheet.
Where are your charts? Look at them.
My charts?
Yeah.
My charts are right in front of me.
Okay, so normally you'd be looking that way? Or like that? Either in those directions? That's to your right, right?
Just to my left.
Okay, just want to make sure you're looking at my chart, not looking at the border of my monitor. There's less room.
Yeah, what happened?
You gotta. How's yours? Oh, it's true. I know how yours is. Yours is
We're trapped in boxes.
Wow. Look how much.
Bama, good morning. Bama, did you roll over or are you waiting to roll over? Well, rolled over. Need a roll call. Get it, Mike? Roll call. Yeah. This is our all-time high. Yes, came down, tested all-time high. Somebody was talking about that here Friday, and then we came down again pre-market.
What'd you take there, Skeletor? You're done for the day. Just an opening push.
Opening breakout or something. Maybe
What
pre-market.
what did I miss? Yeah, I want to put in the pre-market levels, the 6 a.m. to 9:30. I need a range for that on my 1 minute chart. Because you know what? I used to follow that when I was trading stocks. I know all the stock traders follow that. That's when the market's open. Sometimes Interactive Brokers actually opens at 4 in the morning.
Are we gonna start doing, guys? We're gonna start waking up 4 o'clock in the morning.
No. It's just to determine an opening range. Don't get me wrong.
Calm down. I'm trying to figure out when people start trading.
9:30, 9:41, 9:32, 31, 9:31, 9:32, 9:31, 9:32, 9:30. Wow, I got 3 of them here.
Maybe if people start trading earlier, maybe we'll show up earlier. I don't know. Listen, question of the day. If you're supposed to show up earlier, but then you show up late, but you're still earlier than you were before, is that late or no?
Yeah, you're late.
So if I'm supposed to be there at 9:30, but then I'll say I'm going to start showing up at 9:20, but then I show up at 9:25, I'm still late?
Very late.
Man, just can't win. Some people just can't win.
There we go. 6 to 9:29. You know what? I'm even going to make it. Should I make it 4 to 9:29? Let's start with 6 to 9:29. Let's see what that looks like. Boom. There's the breakout of the pre-market range. I'm going to watch that. I think that's a good indicator. That's something worth trading.
What are you watching?
The pre-market range, 6 to 9:30.
Okay.
You know what? A lot of traders, when they're trading stocks, they want to see if the stock is breaking the pre-market trading. For them, that's a strong indicator, and they're not looking, and their pre-market isn't 6 p.m. until 9:30 a.m. the next day. Their pre-market is basically, you know what? Every broker opens at different times. I had a whole bunch of brokers at one time, and they were all opening at different times. I think Thinkorswim didn't allow me to trade until 8 or 9 a.m. They had the latest, I think. But regardless, they all had different times. Some opened at 6, some opened at 4, some opened at 8, some opened at 9. Oh, I got a trade at 13. Let's see. Should I take it on which? Let me take it on my PA. Top step. I got filled at 1450. Not really good. How does this screen work? Does this screen work good here? Yeah, 5 minute check. Come on, let's go up to target. Push up to 22, looking at my animal pattern.
Animal pattern?
Animal patterns. You lose me, Woodchip, when you go to the animal patterns. Let's get up to 20. Come on, get up to 22.
Everybody likes the animal patterns.
22, 22. Push it. One more little burst there. One more little burst. Don't keep going there and getting hammered down. Come on, whoever's selling there, stop it. Go away. Go get a coffee. Let them push it through. Give me the win. Give me the win. There we go. Cha-ching. I'm still long one. Way to go. That's what I wanted to see. Guys, I'm looking up really high, but I'm not looking at my charts. I'm looking up to God. And he helped me. He helped me. Okay, I got one more here.
Open price strategy?
Yeah, that's my new strategy. So let's see how far this one can go.
Still long?
I'm holding a 1 lot, got rid of 2 lot. Obviously, the 2 lot that I got rid of was the 73% winner trade, whatever you want to call it. And I'll try and catch a little bit of a runner. My stop on this is 3 points. And then I'll move it to break even, I guess. There we go. Keep going higher. I like it.
I think I needed more time to relax for the weekend. Too much going on.
Yeah, weekends are short. 15-minute opening range. Yeah, let's see us break the 15-minute opening range. Let it go, baby. Come on, keep pushing, keep pushing. I want to see it more. Come on, no, don't come back. Just run. One time, run. Run. Twisted Trading, take any trades? Yeah, I took a bunch of trades yet so far. Do I take it? Do I take the last little piece? I want to break the high of that candle, but they pushed it back in, eh? I'm saying take it. Okay, I'm out. I'm out. Now I got to figure out. I'm out. Yeah, I don't know how much I made there. Oh, it's showing me $121. Oh, cool. There's probably commissions in there. Not there's probably, of course. There's commissions in there, but...
Wait, sometimes there's commissions, sometimes there's not?
Oh, no, it depends on where you look.
I was just messing with you.
If you're looking on the chart on your little screen there, that's commissionless. If you look at your account activity, that's with commissions. Hey, live commentary. Omnius Trades is live. I got a notification. How cool is that?
See, what day is this? 15th? U.S.-China trade talks all day. Huh. 16th, not really anything. 17th, FOMC rate decision. 18-0, 19-0. So the big news this week is FOMC. They're expected to do a rate cut. We'll see.
Yeah, Wednesday's the big day.
What's next on the agenda? Trying to look for a pullback. Would like to get long.
You long doggy.
Everybody's looking to get long.
Change interval. Oh, he's changing interval. What interval did he switch to? 1 day. Omnius trades off the 1 day chart. That's insane. I don't know how you do it. You're on a 1 day. You're on a. What chip? Look at my Power Discord. Oh man, so funny. Check your Discord and share along with Butters. Butters is here. I don't even know that Butters is here. I'm tempted to enter the market again, but I have to follow my rules. Those are your rules, Skeletor. I would agree with you. I would agree with you. Tomorrow when you come back.
Rules.
Yeah, tomorrow when you come, if your rules are to stop trading because you hit your profit target for the day.
Or stop loss, whatever.
Yeah, no, but he did good. He, Skeletor, when he said done for the day, I'm certain that that's positive. He put an exclamation mark. Yeah, absolutely. Well, here's what I would say to my boys. Your rules tell you to stop. Number 1. Number 2, imagine you take another trade and you lose. And then you go and you want to make it back and get to your 1.4K and it all swirls out of control. How shitty you're going to feel. It's nowhere near equal to how good you're going to feel if you make 2.1K. What I mean is it's much worse. It's much worse. And then tomorrow it won't even matter.
Not only that, if you're at 1.4, like, what are you trading for?
Yeah, the pain is going to be tremendous. And it can set you off for a whole week after chasing and fighting and revenge trading. It's too dangerous.
But I think you got to set your strategy beforehand, right? If your strategy says, if I'm up $1,000, I quit. I'm down 500, I quit, then stick to it. If it says that there's trades all day long and I'm just going to take every one, stick to it. You can't work on strategies if you keep changing. Unfortunately, we have to go through the good, the bad, and the ugly. So, whatever the predetermined strategy is. But I will say, being up 1.4K and then losing it sure would put a sad face on you.
Let me go see what Chip said. He left the chart or an analysis.
Discord?
And Discord. Yeah, go check your Discord also. I left you a message. A couple of videos also, but no, I'm just talking about the message. How do I get to here? If only they would make it easy. There we go. Wood chip. That's the, I don't know what that is. That's the backwards cock-a-doodle-doo hairy chicken trade.
Not the hairy chicken.
It's the hairy chicken trade. It's too bad we can't share images on... do I have a browser open? I don't have a second browser open. I'm supposed to have a second browser open. This is getting difficult. I am disorganized.
Where's the... Didn't he put a chart in Discord, or he sent it you in a message?
Yeah, I sent it in the message.
No, the one that he sent you.
Yeah. It was in a message. Yeah.
Okay.
Wasn't in general. Thought maybe it was in general,
gotcha.
But.
All right, pullback, no pullback. What are we looking for, guys?
No. Copyright strike.
What?
Yeah.
Not again.
Your fault.
Not again. My fault.
Your fault.
I don't do copyright strikes. My channel's in good favor.
Wait, didn't you say that there's like a grace period of 2 seconds or something? I think I caught it in time.
I think it's 4 seconds.
No. I've had them tell me to remove 2 seconds already. I'm thinking maybe under 1 second.
Nope, 4 seconds.
I'll show you.
I'll try it.
No, I got it already.
I'll try it. I don't care. Because it's not a strike. It's just a...
Yeah. It's a claim or whatever.
A flag or a warning or something.
Well, I just opened up your stream. And,
you know when it's a strike, they put a big thing at the top of your dashboard that says, you have a strike.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't get any.
I don't let you forget it. Every time you go there, it's right there. Bam. You have a strike. If you get 3 of these, we will delete not only your channel, but every channel associated with it under the same email.
Okay, so let's see. Just chugging higher, eh? Are we keeping an eye out for the 15-minute OR retest? I think we should. Especially when the markets are strong like this. Oh, damn. What do I do now?
Does that mean I got to turn off the video with the girls dancing?
Dang. Oh, shit.
There you are. I was trying to find your stream, but you was hiding.
I need a list.
YouTube puts everybody else right up front. Here, search for us. I don't want to brag or anything, but we're the most hated stream on YouTube. YouTube just don't like small creators. They like the...
I'm not small. Every time my wife comes home from work, she says, look at you, you're huge. Lose weight. What are you talking about small?
I think today is just only up, huh?
Long. The 2 longs would have worked nice.
I'd almost bet money if I took a long, it'd go short. This is one of those days where you just gotta wait for a pullback, I guess.
Okay, let me try and fix the camera. Omnius. Be patient.
Short. What is it? Don't short slow markets.
There we go.
Don't short dull markets. Huh. Yeah, I remember. Anybody looking for any trades or looking for setups or something? Let us know. Share with everyone else.
Yeah,
NQ at 252.
I'm short NQ 252. Omnius. Don't short dull markets. I'm short. I'm not looking.
Not looking. Skeletor, how many trades did you take earlier? Was one trade or? A series of trades. Manual trade, bot trade. I know you've been working on that bot.
$297. There's nothing at 297. How'd you pick that level just out of curiosity? We are in blue sky territory.
These, unfortunately, are the hardest to trade.
Not if you're going long. Hey, nice job. Talking to Skeletor, 4 different accounts, manual trade. That's the way to do it.
One trade.
Different accounts, have a losing trade, switch, hop to another account. That works.
I keep forgetting that both my charts have different prices. Is anybody else trading like that? He's like 252 or something. I'm looking at 252. Like, where the heck's 252?
I don't
That's
get
way the
it.
hell down here. Then I remembered that that's 24,452.
How do you have different prices? You rolled
Roll
one,
over,
but
buddy.
not the
Roll
other?
over. Huh?
You rolled one, but not the other?
The trading view rolls itself.
Ah,
Continuous
trading view.
contract.
Yeah.
So it hasn't done it yet. I could probably go do the manual contract, but
Yeah,
I'd
that
rather
gets
just keep it all in
confusing.
the same chart for charting purposes.
Mm.
Thought being Monday and the rollover started last week, I thought for sure that we'd have a much higher volume.
I was hoping much higher volume was going to come in at the end of Labor Day, once Labor Day passed. I'm kind of discouraged.
Well, I mean, as far as the rollover. What Chip says, straight down, guys. Full port. Full port to the bottom. I don't know. To me, it looks like we're in this slow grind. Anything can happen, but
Yep.
I think I'd have to see something.
Yep.
I've seen so many people get their faces melted off by this type of price action.
I think before you want to make a commitment to the downside, you want to see something. I don't see even.
They all say the same thing. It can't go up forever. Okay.
Well, it can't and it won't. That's not the issue, though. The issue is when you're getting in.
I've seen days like this do this all day long. All the way till the close.
Okay, we got
And
a
again,
chicken
I've also
eye.
seen days like this where it does it for an hour or so and then just drops. So
We got a chicken
Oh, no.
eyebrow trade.
Chicken eyebrow.
Ow.
How does it go down now? Yeah, the chicken eyebrow. Okay. I put a sell on this chart. It's
Oh,
just a sim trade, hopefully. Yeah. Just to mark where it has to go down. Not a real trade. Don't copy my trades. Or wood chips. Do you think it could go down? We are at a pivot point.
long.
It's not a chicken, it's a mystical beast. Dragon?
Long.
I like the dragons. I like to argue with people about dragons or dinosaurs. What are they, Mike? They're dragons or they're dinosaurs?
I don't know. Now you're implying that there was. You have to show me which creature you're talking about, and then I'll tell you if I think it's a dragon or a dinosaur. But if you're talking about the mythical dragon, I think it's mythical. I think so. I'm going to call it a dragon.
I was arguing with DT about it one day.
Woodchip agrees. It's a mythical beast.
Dragons from Middle Earth. Valkyrie. There you go. GPT told me dragons weren't real, they were mythical. I said dinosaurs ain't real either, they're mythical. I said they've been drawing dragons for 10,000 years.
Yeah.
Dinosaurs have only been around like 100, if that.
Did GPT say to you, where do you get your information from?
Yeah, GPT's funny because it's like, you're right. I'm like, well, look it up.
Yeah, you put your finger on a problem with GPT, and I actually talked, or whatever you want to call it, wrote with GPT about that. Do you know what it's called? It's called validation. It's called validation mode. And it actually has exactly that, validation mode.
Oh, so, GPT validates.
Yep. So now I say all the time when I start a conversation, do not be in validation mode. Be in the other mode. It called itself was optimization mode. It said you have a choice between optimization mode or validation mode.
So what's that mean when GPT argues with me all the time?
Optimization mode means it's using its brain instead of just validating you and coming up with what the good points of your argument are, regardless of whether it's right or not. It just looks for the good.
Well, I noticed that basically GPT's pre-programmed. Like, you can't have a reasoning with it. It's told it has to be this way, and it's not going to change its mind. That's the way it's told that it has the answer. I told GPT, I'm like, well, do you have any cave drawings of dragons? It's like, no. Like, we're not dragons, but dinosaurs. I'm like, you got any cave drawings of dinosaurs? Like, no. I'm like, was dinosaurs ever in the Bible? It's like, no. I said, funny, because we got all that of dragons. Just saying. I'm like, come back when you got some evidence for dinosaurs.
I have evidence for a potential long over here.
Wood chip said we're going to short.
Actually, taking the trade right here on the on this little down move. Not
I
even
gotta bring up
waiting
my
for a
30 minute.
continuation. But I'm not going to take it.
Want to see 215? Wait, that's this chart. So this chart rolled over too. Okay. So where is 215?
It's crazy. Should I know what Valkyrie is? Because Valkyrie sounds like a movie that Val Kilmer was in. And not because Valkyrie sounds like Val Kilmer. It just sounds like something Val Kilmer was in. Is he still alive, Val Kilmer? Do you know?
I don't know. I don't keep up with actors very much. We do have the open range retest, 470. Don't know where that would be on this chart. What's your chart? What's our open range retest?
Approximately 227.
Not liking this different charts thing.
You know what?
Emma says no, he recently passed.
No, did he really? Is that maybe why is that why his name was in my mind?
We got here
He
470.
was one of the good guys, I think. I like Val Kilmer. I like the work he did.
Okay, now this one's with this chart. So if we do get the, I don't know. I'll be glad when tomorrow gets here and all my charts will be back in sync.
Hmm.
I normally don't roll over until TradingView does. I was just in a hurry and clicked the button.
Well, that's what I would do. I mean, if you're looking at two different kinds of charts for two different prices, Valkyrie actor was Tom Cruise. If you're looking at two charts, just roll over. What's the difference? Just saying.
The one that rolled over was Ninja Trader.
Yeah, but why not roll over? I mean, who cares? They're both the same volume. You're not.
What are you talking about?
They both have the same approximate volume, so you might as well roll over in
Roll over what?
your contract in whichever app or platform didn't roll over. You told me TradingView rolled over automatically, so you're looking at two different prices. That means you got to be looking at the new in TradingView and the old somewhere. Wherever you are with the old, which would be the September contract, roll that one over to the December contract. Manually, that's all I'm saying.
TradingView is the old contract.
You said TradingView rolled over automatically.
Yeah, you weren't listening. It rolls over automatically, but it hasn't rolled over yet.
Did you say that? Or did you just say it rolls over automatically? Yeah. You said it didn't roll over? So I wasn't listening.
I even said I didn't want to. I could go to a manual contract, but I don't want to because I want to keep all the charting the same for the charting. Wood chip, you still short? What's our target? See? Wood chip was telling you to go short.
I'm playing with my screens. I didn't feel like trading today. I told my daughter we should play hooky and not go into work today. Of course, she doesn't have the option of doing that, but
about the way I felt this morning.
I didn't really want to. And there's this dessert. I don't know if you know it. It's called Kuna Moon. Honestly, I think it's the best tasting dessert on planet Earth.
What is it?
It's a puff pastry, a flaky dough type of thing. And there's only really one place I know that makes it, and the name of the bakery is also called Kuna Moon. And it's in Montreal. It's a little far from here. You know, it takes us about 45 minutes to go there. But I told her, you know what? I should go pick you up and we should just go have some Kunamoon. We go once a year usually. It is laden in, I don't even know, heavy in butter. And I can't tell you what the other ingredients is, but it's just really good. Okay, so we got the 2 cameras. Better. Getting there. Trying to figure out where everything is. Sweep on next. Dealer draws high number. Who's playing? What chip is feeling lucky? Dealer draws 86. What chip 59? To go directly to Omni's Trades live stream. Okay, that got good enough.
Did what chip win?
He did. Way to go.
Chip Bell's high number. Sweet.
I'm almost done, ladies and gentlemen.
You messing with that screen?
Uh-huh.
Oh, you did that yesterday.
I did, but I didn't like the squares. I didn't have you in available to check out the image and where you're sitting and how you're sitting and stuff. It wasn't good, so I gave us more screen space, and I made it more rectangular.
Thought you already had a screen set up, scene like this.
I did, but I deleted it when I create. I don't know. I like to keep my thing light. Are your video images AI? I don't know who you're talking to, Woodchip. I don't have any video images. Video images.
He's talking about you.
Yeah.
Video. Oh,
In my videos that I created, yeah, on my channel, yeah, they were mostly AI. I think. I'd say about 70% AI. But I also tried to make an effort not to just take whatever it gave me, but I would recreate it for the actual scene. I would give a prompt.
yeah, I closed the wood chip trade. Wood chip, I had to close your trade.
Yeah, I want to finish and be done with this, so let's just move a little quicker here. Mr. Mike. Lock that in, focus.
I do think the open range trade could work out. Do you have a support there? I think the volume's a little bit lower.
Okay, well, I didn't miss anything, to be honest with you. We're still drifting lower. We haven't gotten to the 15-minute opening range retest.
Doesn't
And
seem like we got much volume. Just kind of dying out, isn't it? What do you see?
combined, let me take a look. Combined, it wasn't bad. I mean, we were talking 150,000 before. Let me see. Where are you? Over here. Market analyzer. 237, 221. Yeah, I don't know. 450,000 contracts traded at 10 o'clock. I mean, it's on the low side, but it's not on the deathly low side. But the range, 7-point average range on the 1 minute candles. That's on the stop trading side already. That's go make yourself a nice coffee and sit outside range.
Yeah. Looks like we're getting our push up. Might not make it down to open range.
It's not as good a trade, in my opinion, if it's a slow grind down to the opening range high.
You want to see it just drop?
I like to see a faster move in, yes. Slow grind is carries a little bit more risk.
So I should take the trade off.
That's not what I was saying. I was saying my opinion. I have no idea what your opinion is. Oh my god.
Oh, take the trade. What?
Ouch.
Didn't went up like 10 points. I don't give confidence. Now it already got a bounce. If it comes back and takes it.
Yeah. That's what I hate. Where do you put your entry? Did you put it right at the opening range? Do you go one tick above, one tick below?
I did, 3 ticks above? And it
Straight.
stopped 2 ticks above me.
Straight to hell. Hell is far away.
I guess I put it 1 tick above, and then the price action stopped 2 ticks above me. Yeah, trade's done. It's already almost 20 points now. I missed it by a tick. 2 ticks. That's all right. Butter Stunts, good morning.
Good morning, Butters. Oh, there is one trade that I could take a look at. Would it have made money? I don't even remember which was the one. No, would have lost. It was the one that I was saying, let's go long, even though it was as the market was falling slowly. I'm looking forward to, again, changing the code on
I'll still try long here.
On this bot.
Try long.
Holding short to the balls. Really? Another one short. What are you guys seeing that I'm not seeing?
Yeah, all right. They're looking for that big reversal.
Holding short to the balls.
Could get it.
Well, if you guys haven't hit the like button yet, now's a good opportunity while we're holding short to the balls. While we're all holding our balls, remove
Short
one
to the
hand.
balls.
Take one hand off your balls. Again, balls.
Yeah, take one hand off your balls and
Hit
trade with.
hit the like button.
Everybody needs that one trading hand. Window capture.
What is showing on my stream? That okay, this should always be up. $10.30 initial balance. I have to tell you, I have two favorite trades. They're based on the time charts. One of them is a rejection of the previous day's high or low. Obviously, for the previous day's high, we got to be coming from below, and for the previous day's low, we got to be coming from above. And I do want to see it with some speed, not some gentle drift into that level. But the second trade that I like a lot on the time charts is a break of the initial balance in the first or second minute. So by 10:32. I have found just from observation that when that happens, it often has a strong continuation move. Doesn't get rejected. Well, that
What happened?
was an odd candle. You didn't get a spike on the December contract?
I did.
Oh, you did? Yeah.
Yeah. Shot up and then dropped down.
Yeah. Crazy.
Trying to see if I can put the Quantower on my chart.
Wow. Now, actually, if you break initial balance right here on this candle, that's a market showing strength.
Really? Bitch.
Sorry, I didn't hear that.
No, I didn't say nothing. What, me?
Mm-hmm.
I hit the wrong button. Does a bunch of weird stuff, and I'm scared to hit the back button. I need to message him, say, are we ever going to fix that back button? Hard to fit a 30-minute chart on there. Yeah, we'll try it like that. I might change it.
Okay, well, that's it for me. I mean, as far as the super strong initial balance break, or the SSIB trade. Didn't have a lot of trades on my top step charts, but I think they were all winners. Let me go to 9th. Wow, really didn't have a lot of trades. Well, I guess no doubt, eh? 3 trades only. 3 trades, 3 winners. That's crazy. Well, if we're not getting an increase in volatility in September, when are we going to get it? October, when people think that's always the month for a crash? I think you can short this. I theoretically can't go short until we get down to 24,200. That's 50 points away.
I think everyone's waiting. See what's going on with FOMC. Then people start deciding if they want to go short or not.
And it's November, and it's Christmas rally. Some
Gotta get a
volatility.
pullback before the Christmas rally, right?
Yeah, and then it gets
Or
quiet for December and January. Generally.
Or are we going to get the rate cut and just to the moon all the way through the Christmas rally?
There's a site that shows the probability of a rate cut, but I lost the bookmark.
Yeah, I don't know. Keep hearing people say we're supposed to get a rate cut. We'll see.
I think it's a quarter basis point. Oh yeah. Do I have a I do. I'm leaving Apex with my one account traded. I'm gonna open up Bullinox. I'm gonna take a long and see what happens. Hold my breath. Just got to figure out where.
You're just going to take a long and hold your breath?
Well, kind of sounds like that, but yes and no. I have a long signal, a counter trend long signal at 244.
We came down, we tried to push back up. I'm kind of struggling.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I would have liked to have gotten in at 240. Let's see if I get the opportunity. Gonna start 242. 246. This is a nice trade at 240. It's give me 240. Has a nice profit target on this, almost 20, 25 points. Didn't get an opportunity for a band trade off the bands. Just been trading aggressively higher. What's Bitcoin doing? 115. When did I go short? I went short yesterday in Bitcoin. I forgot. That was fun.
Day trading Bitcoin?
I took one trade yesterday. I forgot about it. I was busy with some other stuff and ended up being green for like $100. Okay.
You not remember the $100?
Mm.
Kind of going sideways, huh?
Yeah, looks like it.
What animal is this? This the fish?
Yeah, the bearded fish.
The bearded fish? Maybe what is it? What's the dragon with the beard? The bearded dragon?
Bearded dragon.
The little one people have them as pets?
Iguana?
The iguana.
What's the name of that big animal that's something dragon? Vicious
Butter
lizard.
dragon?
No, it's a vicious lizard. It bites you. It bites an animal, its prey, and it injects poison that slowly kills it. And what I mean slowly, I mean like I think it takes a couple of days, and it just follows the dragon. The dragon. Komodo dragon.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Oh, is it? I didn't hear. And I was listening. You know what? I saw today a headline, Line 6 was having problems with distortion.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. They said to expect just today. They'll have it fixed.
I think I told you when I called them people, and the guy I got, like, hated Line 6. Like, the whole conversation's him bashing Line 6.
Mm.
He's like, why do you want to use that? The product sucks. I'm like, I call their own number.
Mm.
Like, don't you work for these people?
Is it big? A bearded dragon. Skeletor has his daughter has a pet, a bearded dragon. Is that like one of those? I don't know. Can you guys see me? Is that one of those 4-foot dragon lizards, or is it like one of those little itty bitty ones?
I think that's the little one, right? It's
In other words, are you feeding it live?
Foot or something?
Are you feeding it live mice, or are you feeding it crickets? I guess that determines the size.
I know someone that's got one, and they have like several heat lamps in the cage for it.
No kidding, yeah.
And we was at their house, and they're like, the air conditioner's not really working that good. I'm like, no shit, you got 3 freaking heaters going right there.
I guess it's like a gator. It needs a external heat source to stay warm.
Yes.
Well, I missed the trades. Too bad I couldn't get in at 40. We have an entry at 55. Target 62. I'm going to try and get a better price. 55, I don't know. 52 or better, maybe. 52, 51 would be huge.
Ruin, good morning.
Hey, everyone. I think I'll try and get in over here. So I'm long at 53. I shouldn't be going for 60. I need to be going for 62. Ooh, that's not a lot, eh? 53. Let me improve my price. No, I'll improve my price at 48 if I can.
Ruin, Mike asked Skeletor how
18
long
inches.
it was. He said 18 inches.
18 inches. You don't think you're exaggerating a little bit there, huh, Skeletor?
Yeah, a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Kind of a weird time to walk into that conversation, huh?
Yeah.
Something about his dragon? I don't know.
Come on, let's get up to 62. 7, 8, 9, 9-point trade. Let's hear the cash register ring. Five more points. Average range is 8 points. We can get there in less than a minute if you guys push it. Come on, give me one more. %73 probability we get there.
73%.
73%. Good morning, Omnius.
I was telling Ruin good morning. Not you.
Yeah, the bearded one. I want to hit TP, and I want it quick. I hate waiting for my trades to take profit. I mean, doesn't everybody? But
We come into the day, we go straight up, finally get a pullback, and it does nothing. Except for this weird candle. It just, who knows what happened there.
let's go. One more push up. Ring the bell. Getting a little skittish here. Well, we already hit 65, so it should be an easy target. I mean, even if they're front running the retest of 65, which is the initial balance high. And to be honest with you, I hope I have a trail on this. Yeah, I will have a trail on this because if we do break the initial balance high, it should run at least a little bit, at least 5 points. There should be some stops there. Come on. You know you want to do it. Come to Daddy. What does Daddy need today? Does Daddy need a new pair of shoes? What did my wife say I need?
New pair of Crocs.
A whole new wardrobe. Daddy needs a whole new wardrobe. Okay, I'll sit. I'll wait patiently. Yeah, I'm going to use reverse psychology on the market. You know what? I don't care if you take an hour to hit target, as long as you hit target. Think it'll
really,
work?
it shouldn't matter, right?
Think it'll work?
Don't ever work for me.
No, it should matter because then there's no, if it takes that long, it means the markets are like dead quiet. I want to hit target and then take another trade and another trade and another trade and hit target and hit target and hit target. My stop is in the wrong place also, to be honest with you. Let me calculate where my stop should be. 55.49.
Yeah, Ruin, I'd like to find a way to set it up.
Oh, there you go. Take me out. Excellent. Perfect.
Might have to try it for a day or so, see if we like it.
Anytime I can get one for one with a 73% probability, I'll take it. Now let's, for the remainder, for the trail. Let's get over initial balance and let's get a nice runner.
Kind of hard to keep the footprint chart in view.
Or stop me out. Either way is good. Okay. On to the next. It's 4 for 4.
You get take profit?
I hit take profit. I did. I took out 4 lot out of the 5. I left 1 for a runner. Didn't run. Like you said, you leave that runner, you trail it, it always takes it.
No, I have no luck with runners.
It always takes it.
See, your Nightbot says go directly to Omnius live stream. There's no link.
What does it say before that?
I don't know. Dealer.
Take a look.
I'm looking at it. What are you talking about?
Right after the wrench. Exclamation mark. Oh. You're right, though. I should be more clear. I'm always a guy for clarity, and I have to agree with you. Type. Exclamation mark. Oh.
Oh.
Yep, that's not clear.
Maybe look if you can set the settings at auto. Yeah, everyone, try to set the footprint to auto, but see if I change it to auto. Kind of takes away the footprint. Unless I like zoom like really far in, I can do like that. Kind of hard to get it. Still, we'll get a big candle and it'll do it again. We'll say Quantower has kind of a weird footprint chart. Hard to keep it in view.
Let's test out that link. The link doesn't always work. Today it's working. You have to check it. It's this craziest thing.
Also, ruined this footprint chart on my screen is rather small. Kind of blown up for the stream. That's why the numbers look weird. That's why all these streamers have 5 screens. There's never enough space.
It is true.
I got one window with like 5 different applications stacked on top of each other. The other one's got like everything's got their like little space, but kind of hard. Trading view footprint. Yeah, this ain't trading view. This is a Quantower. I don't know if trading view ever officially did footprint, but I know people tried to fake it before. It looked like garbage. I don't even know how trading view would really do footprint because they were saying before they don't have tick data, so unless maybe they got the tick data. Have it, you just have to pay extra. How do you see footprint on Quantower? Footprint on Quantower is rather easy. Let's see. Toot, toot, toot. If I go over here. Well, I should go over here. Come on, man. So footprint on Quantel, you have the toolbar. You have the cluster
Toolbar.
down at the, you got the cluster down at the bottom. I think if you just have the basic Quantower though, you might not have it. I think you gotta have maybe a full license, I don't know, or a different license. You're just gonna click the cluster down at the bottom, set up how you want it, imbalance, single, double. Then I don't want to go messing stuff up, but if you click like single or double, you have these other drop downs. They have a huge list of things you can do. Then of course I got color by volume, color by delta if you want, color by trades.
Let me
Color
just
by
cut you off
volume.
here for a second. Here, 41 at 58. If 58 bid holds, I have another entry for a 73% probability trade, just to let you know. 41. No, sorry, not 58. 55. 55 bid. We're almost there.
There we go. You see sometimes you can't see the settings, but you can see it here. Then you have different settings when you go there. Different type of imbalances you want to set up. Highlight the zeros, highlight unfinished auctions. Show delta divergence, point of control, stuff like that. I mean, it's a good chart. The hardest part is just keeping it in the screen. Is this a subscription you got with day traders? Ruin, you talking about Quantower? No, I have Quantower because I'm with AMP Global or AMP Futures, whatever you want to call it. So I have a personal account with AMP Futures. So if you're with them, they have you can get Quantower for free. And now Day
Oh, is that
Traders
how
is
it works?
offering it also, I guess. So you can get it through them. Bama says, lets me use it, but keeps saying I need a license. Bam, I thought you had the AMP Futures. You should have a license. You have a license to AMP Futures.
Getting up there. We got to get to 55 trigger. Target is 62.
In fact, Bama, in your Quantower at the top bar, I guess I can't show it, but can you move this? I hate this top bar. But mine actually says AMP Quantower. Is that what yours says? The top left of the bar.
I put in my limit sell at 62.50.
If yours just says Quantower, you might not have it set up for AMP.
I need a push.
Like on mine, when I look at the bar at the left, it actually says AMP and shows a guy like holding his hands
Come
up.
on, push now. Do nice push for us, yes. Come on, push. Yeah, that was nice.
62.50. We were so close.
Have you tried logging in with your AMP data? Wish I could move this bar. I'd be able to show you.
Going the wrong way.
Yeah, I would message AMP. You're logged in with the AMP data, but it's still not the AMP Quan Tower. That's weird. I would message them, tell them that you're interested in the Quan Tower, and they should just send you a license.
Still hanging on to my trade. Still trying to get to 6250.
So AMP Futures actually has a bunch of platforms you could trade with. They got a modified version of TradingView also.
No kidding. Making me sit here too long in a trade again. God damn. Where are the good old days where you enter a trade and it hits your take profit before 15 seconds and you're still hanging on because the firms want you to trade longer than 15 seconds.
That's the days I'm missing.
Yeah.
Curious if it's Project X. No, it's not Project X. Which I would be interested to find out if maybe they're moving to that. I don't know why they wouldn't. Could be interesting.
Getting there again. 4 more points. Let's go. Let's go. 3. Order filled. I was going to complain. They filled me at 62.50. It didn't even... it spiked. You see, that's the great thing about... Didn't even show on my Top Step X platform. My order at 62.50? Is that crazy or what? Didn't even show on the chart. Top Step X. It shows on Ninja.
What is all this volume just spiking around?
Yeah, well, that's the break of the initial balance. But when it happens late, so often it gets rejected. When it happens early, in the first minute or two, so often you'll find that it runs. Yeah, that's the
spike up. You can see it in the footprint chart: 197, 253, 152, 329, 527, 493. All that was in that little spike.
Yeah, it's all the long stops, everyone wanting to go long just above it. Now they're all panicking. What do you do? You're long. What do you do? Where do you set your stop? All the way down at 240? That's why I like a retest better. Get 2 full candles to close above initial balance. Get a full candle to not even be touching the initial balance high. Then you get a retest. At least at that point, price is showing it's holding. Don't get in on the initial push.
Did you read Ruin's comment?
On whose chat? Yours or mine? Because I'm in yours.
Ruin. I have an answer for that.
My price is different to yours, Mike. Any idea why even the 8-second delay, I'm 24,500? 24,500 if it's a higher price. I'm assuming you changed to the December contract. I'm still on the September contract.
That's exactly what it is. Ruin, my Ninja Trader's at the same as yours. Right now, there's going to be a delay, but it's going to be 24,503.
I'm going to roll tomorrow, guys. I wait till Tuesday. Monday is the day when the volume is equal on both contracts. So I stick with the old one. I don't know why. It's just habit. Doesn't mean one's better than the other. They're the same. Let me go check the volume.
Bama down like 220, done for the day. Not bad.
Actually, just to interject here, the September is trading more. 291,000 contracts on the September, 268,000. So an extra 10% volume on the September still. But tomorrow it's going to be drastically different.
I mean, it is
promise
a
you.
no news Monday with rollover. And I think somebody was saying quad witching. Can't even say that.
September, yeah, it is.
I mean, there is a lot going on behind the scenes right now in the market. And then we have FOMC Wednesday.
Third week of the third month.
So if you're finding the price action difficult or having a hard time or a good time or whatever, there is a lot going on behind the scenes of the market right now. Everybody's trying to figure out what's going on with the FOMC. How do they move forward?
I tried to make an in.
It's kind of weird to have a rate cut when the market's at all-time high.
I was going to
There's a rate cut. Go ahead.
I'm just making a joke. Continue. You're talking serious, and I'm just trying to squeeze in a joke. Go. A rate cut?
Well, you can tell your joke quickly.
No, now it's not. Now it has to be a really good joke because we built it up, and it's not a really good joke.
What was I saying? Rate cut.
Rate cut.
A rate cut indicates that the market's not doing well or that the economy is not doing well. Why would you want to cut rates if you're doing well? So it's a sign that it's not doing as well as they think it should be. So they want to cut rates to try to fuel the market, fuel the economy. So the notion that you're doing a rate cut when the market is at all-time high is kind of an oxymoron. So of course, Trump wants them to cut rates because they're refinancing the debt, and every percent they cut off of the interest rate is less they're going to finance the debt for. And when you're talking $35 trillion, that makes a big difference. I think they've cut rates before when markets at all-time high, but I think it's something that's rare. Now I want to hear the joke.
I don't remember it.
Like I don't remember it.
It was a stupid joke. It was a dad joke. I was gonna say I'm gonna try for an instant 250 point profit. I'm gonna buy a one lot in the September and sell a one lot in the D's, and then sell these contracts.
You guys both have the same. I'm gonna assume that's the price on the charts. Ruin, I have both numbers because my Ninja Trader rolled over. My Trading View and my Quan Tower did not. So I'm looking at completely separate prices. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of difficult. But if you just don't look at the number to the right that says the price and you just look at the chart, they should be fairly identical. You just got to kind of forget about the price number. I don't know how you'd roll back. Do you know, Mike?
Roll back?
Yeah, I don't even know if you can.
Well,
sure
in
you can.
Ninja, I just changed the contract symbol.
Yeah, I guess that makes sense too. Yeah, they should have on the drop down at the left that says the symbol. Then you should have the. No, mine went away. Have to search for it, I guess.
Yeah, the candles basically look the same, especially now on a day like today, where the volume is almost identical.
Yeah, don't mess it up.
It's pretty much going to look the same.
It'll all be better tomorrow.
Yep, tomorrow everyone's on the same page.
My 2-minute chart looks broken. It's just
That's one chart I don't have. 2-minute. I was saying in the morning. Actually, I was saying two things in the morning. I don't think you were here. First thing I said in the morning, obviously, was good morning. But it's a new day. New opportunities. And you know what? Every day, I think it's a message that I'd like to hammer into people's brains and into my own brain also. Every day is like a free reset. You know, because when you come to the day in the morning, your brain is fresh. You don't really care anymore. As long as your losses were small, you don't care what happened in your accounts the previous day. You got new opportunities, a new market. And in my opinion, I see it like a free reset every day. So
yeah, I agree with that.
It's shows there's really no point in taking large losses in your account. Keep it small. Because tomorrow it's a new day with a free reset. Think of it that way.
And it's amazing how when the day passes, you move on to another day. The small losses you don't even really notice.
Don't even notice. I swear to God. I look at my account and I have quite a few, but I look at them and I don't even know which is the one that lost money.
Which one lost $200 yesterday?
That's it. But when I lose 2,000 or 1,800 or 1,500, I know which one it is. And what happens? I come into the day and I don't have a free reset because my mind is still screwed up with that, preoccupied with that large loss. It's upsetting me. I want to attack it. I want to I want to fix it. I want to fight or flight is kicking in. The instinct to survive is kicking in, which is making me want to recover the loss right away.
Yeah, that feeling that you have to get it back now. That's terrible.
I'm yelling it off the rooftops now. Keep your losses small. It's the holy grail.
I mean, it's the same as your trade, right? You take a trade, theoretically. I know we don't all do it, but theoretically, you want to have a higher reward than risk, right? So if you're only risking $100, you're looking to make 150 or $2, then it doesn't really matter. And it's the same with the day. If you're risking 200 on the day and you're looking to make 3 or 4, I mean, in the end, it doesn't really matter. I think people focus too much on losses. Too many people out there saying, "Oh, I got 100 trades in a row, no losses." Okay.
We have for the average retail trader or prop trader, I don't think it's that they're focusing on losses. It's the psychology of trading. It's our instincts. You have to be self-aware and realize that your instinct, your DNA is making you want to make it back, and you have to fight that. And the first way to fight it is to be aware of it, and then to say, no, I'm not going to do that. We're wired wrong for trading.
Mm-hmm. Of course. Trading makes you go against your natural instincts.
I remember when my son was just starting. It was the first day he asked about ICT. And I looked at ICT. I never even heard of him up to that point. I looked at ICT and I said, okay, yeah, you can, whatever he's giving you good guidance here. You can definitely learn how to frame a trade around his logic and, whatever rules of thumb he's telling you to follow are all good. He's not going to steer you in the wrong direction. And then I told him, I followed up with, but you're going to look at me with crossed eyes right now. Trading is 80%, 90% psychology. And right now, you don't even understand that. You're just saying, what? Even if I believe you, Dad, I don't even know what to do with that sentence. I said, until you know what to do with that sentence and you understand it, it's going to be very hard to be good as a trader.
Yeah, the market's constantly changing. So it don't matter what strategy you have. I mean, it matters, but I'm saying any strategy that you have, I guess that's a better wording. Any strategy you have, It's going to go through periods of working great, working amazing, just okay, not working good, working terrible. And as a trader, you have to figure out how to get through all of that.
Mm.
So,
Well, Bama, if you're still there, I can tell you that since I've been keeping my losses small and taking small losses in my accounts, I've been doing, I don't know, much more than 100 times better, like 100% better. I think 400% better. Because when you play that game of snakes and ladders, of getting aggressive, you start from zero again. You know, that's the thing. You're blowing an account, especially if it's a sim funded. You're now back to eval at zero. Now you have to make 3,000 just to get to the sim funded. Accepting these small losses has made a huge difference. And I used to see it when I did it once, twice, but it wasn't enough to register in my brain. But now that I have like 2-3 months of this, it's like, oh my God, it's like the gates, the pearl gates of heaven have opened and all I'm seeing is sunlight. It's like, really, this is it. This is what was missing. And it's like, I think you were mentioning it, Omnius there, Tom Hugard, best loser wins. You got to learn to lose. And what that means is to keep your losses small. That's the key. Fight it. And it's to your downfall.
Butters, 69,000 chips. Nice. Heard you could spend them at the Futures Floor store, but it's closed permanently.
Due to?
I forget.
Bankruptcy.
Yeah, I think people should expect small losses. I think all these people saying they never take losses, I think that's unrealistic. And if you're never taking a loss, then you're not really trading. I mean, you're not. What are you doing?
It is 11:15. Chat's choice. Let me set up the account. In the meantime, first person to pick a side, long or short, coin flip strategy. I'm all ready to go. I'm watching both streams. Someone call it a long, someone call it a short. If in 30 seconds no one calls it out, Omnius, it's up to you.
Wait, I wrote this down the other day, remember?
No. You gotta look at the markets.
No. I'm going with my eyes predetermined, short. But you can't ask me to call it out. What was that number?
No, I want to know.
96, 97. You messed up my trade.
Come on, somebody else. Look at the charts and pick a side. The idea is to test our ability to pick, not randomness. We did the randomness test already. That was the coin. You're back. You're forcing randomness again. There we go. 16. It's your call. You want to go with the short or you want to pick it? You want to ruin my experiment or you want to?
I'm not doing it. Somebody else has to do it.
Short. Ruan.
What? Oh.
Ruan said short. I would have picked short too. Just saying. Problem is, it looks like a nice trade to break through the initial balance. It does.
But we've been waiting for what, hour and a half? I don't know.
Yeah. It's been a long
At some
time.
point, do longs give up and the shorts just take over?
Could be, yeah. You might get we got
I mean, we have no momentum. We have, I think, very little volume.
yeah, we got a chat's choice trade here. We might hit target and we might even spike right into it. That's the great thing about having the take profit, the limit order placed. 10 points for 10 points. Five more to go. Average range, 8 points on the 1 minute candle. We could poke through there. Just need a little selling to come back into the markets. Even if it's temporary. Chat's choice right now is doing, what is it, 66%. If I remember, do I have my chat open? Did it come up? No, not there, not there, not there. What are we doing? Currently, 10 winners, 5 losers, up 420. We'll be up 520 if we hit this one.
The only thing I don't like about this Quantower footprint shows. I can't see my volume profile. Puts it behind the candles. How am I supposed to? Where's point of control? There it is.
We're short at 58.75. We got halfway to target. Halfway to target again. Push. We need a push. Push. Hey, you're going the wrong way. Still in the green, but
You said push. It did exactly what you said.
yeah, pull. Push. No, push is forward. The movement of push is this. That's forward. Push should only be for the way up.
You could
Press.
say drop. Drop.
Drop. Press. Press would work.
Drop. Push and drop.
Push and drop. Dump. I like dump.
Dump.
I felt bad yesterday. I killed a spider. It was in the shower. I don't like to kill insects. But it was in the shower. It was in the shower.
I bet it jumps on you, be screaming like a little girl.
Absolutely.
Then you be trying to stomp on it and everything.
Come on, 2 more points. Let's go.
So at first you feel all bad and you're like, oh, I didn't want to kill you. Right? But
well, look.
then it jumps on you, you're trying to stomp on it and screaming like a girl, falling over, breaking a hip.
They have a survival instinct. Because I was using my hand trying to redirect it. No, our spiders here are very small. Let's go. Take profit. Come on. You're right there.
You don't get any of the big ones?
Way to go. There you go.
Wait till you're walking through the woods and you walk into one of those banana spiders.
Good job, Ruan. I love banana spiders.
They get pretty big.
Daddy long legs. The one with the really long legs and the tiny little body.
No, that's different ones.
Oh, okay. Now, daddy long legs, those spiders, those I don't even mind if they run on my hand. They don't bother me at all. That's the only spider I'm not afraid of. But there's no reason to be afraid of them. They don't do nothing. Here in Quebec, we don't have biting spiders.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I bet you got more than you think you do.
So, but here's my story. I tried to get it out, and it just kept running in the opposite direction. You know an animal, when he runs with his rope around the thing and you pull him and he always fights the rope. He always fights the direction you're pulling in. If you try to push him this way, he goes the other way. Spider was doing the same thing. Anytime I tried to he's running. I wanted to go in the shower, so I said, okay, unfortunately for you. And I ended his life. And then I said to ChatGPT, I was feeling bad.
Spiders have a soul.
No, I said, what could I have done? He wasn't cooperating, and I didn't want to go in the shower with him there because I'm kind of afraid. So ChatGPT said, moron, all you needed to do was take a cup. And I didn't think of it.
You went straight to violence. Murderer.
I feel terrible, seriously. I mean, you can see how they react, that they don't want to be killed. They're not just sitting there looking at you, they run away. They understand danger on some level. They understand survival.
And then you go eat a chicken.
Yeah, that's how the world developed. I can't help the way we need protein.
I don't want to hurt the spider. Kill the chicken. I'm going to eat him. He tastes good.
No, it's not because it tastes good. I make it taste good, but I have to eat it. Just like animals in the wild, they have to eat. That's survival. That's the way nature developed. We eat other species. It's a ridiculous, some people talk about, oh my God, look how masterful creation is. I don't know. Personally, I think if I was going to be someone creating a planet, eating each other, it wouldn't be at the top of my list of intelligent ideas. I think I would create another source of food.
That whole do not kill, but kill daily to eat.
Yeah. Eat the spider. Nah, he was tiny. I mean, not so tiny, but you know, it's one of those spiders you kill on a Kleenex, and then you got to look inside the Kleenex. You got to look hard to see where he is because he disintegrated.
You went through all that for a little spider you couldn't even see?
It could have jumped and killed me.
You could have just like washed them down the drain, you know?
Yeah, that's a worse death. I didn't think of that either.
It's like giving the spider a bath.
Yeah. No, that I think is cruel.
What?
Throwing an insect in the toilet and flushing it.
Why?
Because the thing is trying to survive, and like, you know, there's no exit.
Yes, there is. You know the insects come up the toilet, right? You know that?
I never had an insect come up my toilet. That I know of. I don't have a hidden camera on my toilet that I'm monitoring.
Just sewer pipes and stuff, man.
But there's water. Unless they're water bugs.
Well, the water goes to the pipes.
Aren't the pipes full all the time just to keep the pressure? I don't know. I'm not an expert.
Down the toilet?
Yeah, I thought it was always full.
No. Come on.
So there's an area on top of the pipe where an insect can survive because there's air.
Now you'd feel better about it? Yes.
To be honest with you, I don't even know I don't even know if insects breathe. Do they?
I don't know. I never asked one.
Do they have tiny little lungs? Could you imagine, like, that little thing easily fits on my index finger nail, probably half the size of it. That thing has eyes, a brain, lungs, a stomach, a mouth. How insane is that? How can the pipes be empty? That makes no sense. I don't know. I don't think that's possible.
Do you not have a clean out for your pipes?
You wouldn't have pressure if the pipes were empty. It would just...
Mike, you don't have pressure. The incoming water has pressure, not the outgoing water. Mike, do you not have a clean out for your pipes?
I don't know even what that means.
You go outside and you're talking about P-trap, yeah. You go outside and there's a thing, you unscrew it and clean out your pipes.
That's under our floor, and we tiled over it. We did mark which tile it is, though.
But yeah, I know. Down in there and you see if the water's flowing. There's no water unless you have it flowing.
That's impossible. How many? Let's just give. I have no idea how much is in a toilet, but let's go with 4 gallons. You flush. 4 gallons goes into the pipe, right?
4 gallons. There's not even 4 gallons. There's like half a gallon. What are you talking about?
When you flush your toilet.
4 gallons?
I'm thinking. No, aren't they 4-gallon tanks?
Look, I got a 5-gallon bottle of water right there. You're going to tell me that's what you're flushing every time you hit the flush?
How many liters in a gallon? Remember, I'm an imperial guy. I mean, I don't even remember. I'm a metric guy. I'm okay. Now you're making me look bad. Let me go find out what a gallon is in liters, and now I could think. I'm trying to talk your language here, and I'm making myself look bad. GPT. I'll tell you. Give me a minute. How many liters in a gallon? I'll tell you. Let me just see how many liters are in a gallon. U.S. gallon, 4 liters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so yeah, I would say it's about 1.5 gallons, I would say, a flush.
Why didn't you just ask GPT how much water flushes when you hit the flush?
Because I just wanted to show you that I didn't think it was 4 gallons. I thought more it was around 4 liters, and I thought a liter was a gallon. That was my mistake. So I'll say about okay, now I'm going to ask GPT. How much water in the average flush? I have to say in Canada, because we don't restrict water here. I think you guys have water restriction. Modern, yeah, 4.8 liters. Exactly what I said. And in the U.S., it's about a gallon, gallon and a half. And in the U.S., 1 ounce. You have to pick it up yourself.
Some of these newer toilets, you might have to.
Since 1994, no, 1.6 U.S. gallons per flush, 6 liters, even more than us. Look at that.
Have you ever seen any of those gravity
Yep.
toilets? They don't use water.
Oh, okay. No, I was going to say, I think we have that. But no, it uses water. It's called a high efficiency toilet. It's kind of like our toilet flushes. It almost seems like the toilets on the airplanes. A shit ton of water flies, and I mean, it'll take a tree trunk down with it.
Some of the parks and stuff now, they have gravity urinals.
Okay.
I don't know if they got it for the toilet, but for the urinal, you don't flush them.
Ah, yeah.
I don't know how that works.
A sensor, obviously. You come into line of sight.
Mike, do you know what the word gravity means?
I do know what the word gravity means, but you're talking about a urinal.
There's no water.
Yeah, I don't know how your urinals work over here. So yes, our urinals do work on gravity. They have 4 or 6 little holes. You pee, it goes in those holes. But then when you walk away, there still is a flush to clear off the odor.
That's what I've been trying to tell you. There's no water.
Well, we have water on our urinals. I'm sorry for you that you have waterless
We do too.
urinals.
I'm saying some of the new ones that they're trying out, they're called like gravity or something, and they don't use water.
Yeah, everyone, it could suck in your eardrums.
I mean, we have the average urinal has water. I'm saying some of the new ones at the parks and stuff.
Yeah. Well, you're in Florida. You have no water problems. I mean, they can use ocean water for the toilet water, no? Do you guys separate potable and non-potable water?
I hope so. I don't know.
Potable is drinkable, non-potable is not drinkable, but it's used for other purposes. Yeah. So yeah, you guys could use ocean water. You have all the water you need.
Look, California's got ocean water, and they've had a water crisis for like 10 years.
Yeah, well, they have Gavin Newsom.
They don't know that they can use ocean water or something. I don't know.
Get DeSantis in there, and things will change in 3 weeks. I'm back to being a DeSantis fan.
Why? What do you do?
No, I don't know. I still like him.
Is it because he accidentally legalized open carry?
No, he's got a dolphin face. He has a smile on his face all the time.
I saw a video yesterday. Guys like riding down the road with one of those one wheels. You ever seen those?
Yeah.
A little board, got one wheel, you ride on it. The guy's like riding down the road in Florida. He's got a freaking like assault rifle and a pistol on his side, just cruising down the street.
I don't have stats on that, but I can't believe that keeps violence down. Seriously, I can't. You know, people, I mean, look at road rage. People lose their shit impulsively without thinking about it. And then they say,
people start getting a lot nicer, ain't they?
People start to, then after you make the mistake, you say, oh shit, what did I do? You know, people don't think.
People in Florida might start saying please and thank you again. You turn around, that guy you bumped into's got a freaking assault rifle.
Sorry.
Hey there, fella, you bump into me? I'm so sorry.
Can I give you $100?
Guy's got like 2 pistols and an assault rifle. I like the guy in the video I was watching.
Can they be loaded? Can they be loaded?
Yeah.
Or really?
They are loaded. What do you mean, can they be? They are.
Oh, I thought maybe, I don't know. I'm asking. Maybe you were allowed to carry, but it couldn't be loaded.
Yeah, they're loaded. They're loaded. Not only loaded, they're loaded and ready to fire.
Wow.
I don't know if I agree with that. I mean, if I was going to carry a pistol on me to go somewhere, I would want like a safety or something, but a lot of those people, they won't do safeties.
You hear gunfire all day long then?
No.
Okay. Canadian ignorance. I don't know. I don't know what to say to that.
I mean, you're not supposed to, but there is a cop that lives down the road, and he likes to go out there and shoot his gun.
Mm. At what?
I guess anybody else would probably get arrested, but
Does he have a
cop, I guess you can do it.
Does he have a sandbank to absorb the bullets in the background of whatever he's shooting at?
I don't know. You want me to go ask him?
Well, you're his neighbor. Just look out your window. Or you're afraid of a stray bullet because the guy's shooting all the time. Does he really?
Shouldn't.
How often would you say about? Once a month?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. I've seen Kid Rock do that a few times on videos, shooting at, I don't know what he was shooting at. I think melons or something.
Well,
No, he was shooting at Bud Light.
Not only is he a cop, but he kind of has a loophole also. Because where I'm at is in the city. But then the way the city lines are drawn are kind of weird. When you get to the end of the road, he has like property outside of like the neighborhood. So then his would technically be county. So if he's in the county, then he follows the county laws, not the city laws. If that makes sense. It's kind of confusing, I know.
Strange, eh? Okay, I got in a 2-lot over here. It's got a tight stop. Tight-ish. Well, actually, quite a tight stop, to be honest with you. I just noticed that the volatility doesn't exist. Under normal circumstances, it would have been 20 points with what I'm looking at on my chart here, but...
There's nothing here, man.
No.
We've been doing the same thing for an hour?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I'm a technical trader.
Over an hour?
Yep.
Hour and a half? Hour and 40 minutes?
Since you look at this level here, about here, let's say 9:52. I would say
That's what I was looking at.
We've been in a 30-point range.
Of course, I had 9:51, but mine might be a minute off. Remember?
Yeah. You know what? To be honest with you, it's a 2-lot. And it's a keep me entertained trade until the next chat's choice. Anybody want to... Kevin! We have something called Chat's Choice, where the chat gets to pick the direction. The next one for a trade, we're doing on an eval with Bullinox. It's dedicated to this, so don't worry about it. It's a 5-lot, worst case scenario. It loses $100. Currently, the account sits at, believe it or not, and you're not going to believe it,
Or not.
$50,961. It's up $961. So let's give you the next call at 11:45. Take a look at the chart. Tell us, should we go long? Should we go short? And I'll take the trade. You will watch it.
Mike, did you see my my stream thumbnail?
No, ICT?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw it.
I was hoping some people would show up and get mad, but they never did, I guess.
Give it time.
Trying to get some haters in the chat.
Oh. Okay. I'll go in your chat. If you're looking for haters, I'll go in your chat.
That's all a joke.
I'm here.
I haven't had a hater or a spammer in a while.
Well, you just got one now. In your chat, not mine. Oh, when you look at your chat, you're also looking in that direction.
Right now I'm looking at your chat.
Yeah, okay, but if you were to look at yours in your screen, where are you looking? There?
Mine's on the other side.
Oh, there you
You got your chat on one side, mine on the other.
Yeah, it's good. Keep us apart.
Gotta separate those two.
That way we don't fight.
I got the whole spectrum. I got a laptop over here, 2 monitors, TV over there. I got a whole studio up in here.
That's weird.
I just need more trading screens, I guess.
Mm.
I don't really want any more.
How come I can't remove or edit that post? I click the 3 dots. I only have go to channel, put user in timeout, or hide user on this channel, but not remove post or edit
Which one are you
post.
trying to remove? Yours?
The FU one.
F you. Where you
Yeah.
put that?
In your chat.
I don't see it. Maybe you did remove it.
Ah, maybe that's why it can't get removed. It got
Did you censor
censored.
yourself? It censors
no.
me too.
You got censored.
I got censored.
Hey, hit target. I don't even know if I was in a trade, but I hit target. Somehow I was in a trade. And I hit target. I didn't even know it had a target. I didn't even know what I was doing, to be honest with you. How did I hit target? How did I have a profit target? Okay, is anybody watching my screens with more attention than I am? Let me go check orders. Let me just go clear everything out.
All right, I'll be back in a minute.
Yep. I haven't had a losing trade today, actually. You had a long. Yeah, that would make sense. I took it on this over here. I was saying I was taking it on the fall. I was taking it off this chart here. Let me just open it up.
Did I have an echo today? You didn't tell me?
I didn't look. I didn't put sound on yours.
Might have had an echo today.
I didn't even do a sound check on mine. Yeah, it's this chart here that I was trading off of.
That sucks.
And
Chat, if there's an echo or something, y'all gotta tell us, okay?
Above the bands, I have 2 options. I can go long when it turns green and go for 7 to 8 points, or I can go long when it turns red and exit when the bar goes green, which in this case looks like a shitty losing trade. This one looks like a break-even trade, and this one looks like a shitty losing trade. But if we go back, that's a stellar winner of about 20 points. That's a small loser. Red, green, that's a beautiful winner. Red, that's about a break even. Red, that's a little bit of a winner. That's a big winner. Again, above the band. So, again, purely technical. Just playing the numbers. There are many ways to trade. Don't always have to trade with complicated ICT, fair value gap strategies. I mean, everything works. As long as you manage risk. We're not putting one down. One isn't better than the other. But this one is simpler. My brain is old and tired already. So I prefer simple. I don't see an edge to trading the other way. Unless the edge is to keep my brain sharp and working harder. But everything is visual. You still get the same probabilities. I still get the same number of wins. I still have losing days. I still have winning days. Today, actually, it's 100%. I haven't had one losing trade, not even for a penny. Trading very simple setups. If I take a look at my top step setup, which is my number 1 setup, that I get my 73% winning trades out of. Had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 winners, 1 loser, but I didn't take that losing trade. So not because I knew it was going to be a losing trade, but I only took about 4 trades. I've kind of been distracted today. Okay, let's set up. Let's get set up for The next chat's choice. Hopefully Kevin's still around. Who picked last time? I forgot. Did somebody pick? Ruan, you picked, I think, right? In yeah, Ruan did. He says Ruan did. That's funny. Oh, there we almost have a initial balance retest. You do know what I like, eh? 2 closes above the initial balance. I want to see price holding. That's 1 close, that's 2 closes. Second, I also need a candle not touching initial balance. If this one could have had just a little bit of space. You know, I could make the argument, but it wasn't perfect. You really don't want to enlarge your chart that much to see if there was space or not between the candle and the... You want it to be obvious. You shouldn't have to squint. At least that's the rule of thumb that I follow. I want the obvious trades. That one wasn't obvious yet. You know, distance between a candle and the line. This is here. This candle has distance between the initial balance high. Yes, we're below, but you get to see what I mean. What about the 15-minute range? 15-minute range. So this was the 15-minute, the opening range high. Which candle? This is the first candle that had some space between the 15-minute opening range high. But again, you got to squint. This is really what I want to see right here. And then if we would have had a retest, that for me would have been a beautiful bounce trade, continuation trade. Doesn't mean it'll work, but that's the beautiful setup. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kevin, are we going long or short? I got my hand on the mouse. 11:45 retest down to 250 if it holds. Oh no, I don't know how to interpret that, Kevin. Give me a longer or short. Right now, looking at the charts. 10 points.
Maybe if you tell them, maybe if you tell them it's a 10-point trade.
It's a 10-point trade. 10-point stop loss, 10-point take profit. Long. There we go. We are long at 63.50. Stop at 53.50. Take profit at 73.50. Hey, last time we went short below initial balance, and we said we think we're gonna take it to the upside. Just we thought, even though Ruan called a short one, I actually think we're gonna push up again. So let's see.
Found me a cookie. Y'all want some cookies?
Chocolate chip.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like chocolate chip cookies.
I'm not a big fan of them. I think they're the wife's.
I don't like chocolate.
She got mad at me because I ate all the Halloween cookies. I'm like,
from last year?
It's almost Halloween. What are you talking about?
Oh, okay. I thought you meant last year's Halloween.
Do you not know what month it is?
Yeah. It's October.
So she brought home a thing of Halloween cookies. I think I ate most of them. She's like, how many did you eat? I'm like, I don't know how many you thought I was going to eat, but I was going for it.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
They were good cookies.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but you're not giving away Halloween cookies, are you? Because you know they're all going to get thrown in the trash unless they're pre-wrapped or something. Like if my kid opens up his bag and there was just like a raw cookie in there, he's not eating it. Even if it didn't get crumbled.
What are you talking about?
Cookies.
You think I would give away Halloween cookies? What kind of person do you think I am? I'd eat them.
So you buy cookies for the kids and you eat them. Even worse.
Hey, I gave the kids one.
Let's go. Let's do 2 for 2 today. We almost got there, Kevin. We were short by 2 points. Oh, let me change. I can get another
Email you a cookie. Yeah. Email cookie.
Chat's choice, trade number 2. Oh, Kevin, picked long. 00 Kevin. Long at 50, 63.50. Target 73.50. Stop loss 53.50. We're close to ready hitting target. If we hit target, that'll be 2 for 2 in chat's choice. Oh, you can't get closer than that. Come on, one more push. Push. We got out of 4. It was a 5 lot. I think that makes it a winner. I'm closing. I'm sorry. I'm closing the rest. That's a winner. Way to go. Way to go, Kevin.
Oh, that was cheating.
No. I'm sorry. That's if 80% of the trade's closed, it's out. 73.50. 75. There you go. It's out. Kevin, email me one of them cookies. That's 2 for 2. Way to go. We're over 1,000 now, eh? We're at 51,000 something. 51,049. Chat's choice is killing it, guys. I think this is the way to do it. I think we have a system here. Everyone should join in on Chat's choice.
Hey, didn't y'all fire y'all's governor or president or whatever that guy is?
Here in Canada?
Trudeau?
Well, we had an election. Oh, no. I don't even know what we had. I don't follow Canadian politics. Yeah, I think he got, I don't know what the word is, demoted, resigned, requested to leave. I don't know the process or whatever. Yeah, I think they changed their leader, kind of like you have...
So who's in charge now?
Biden and Trump, each one in charge of their party. So yeah, they changed the leader of the party. And I don't know his name. I couldn't tell you. And then there was an election, and that same party won again. The Liberal Party won again.
Politics. People never learn.
8 trading days. Currently, 12 winners, 5 losers. We made 620 plus 610. Now, overall, the account on Chat's choice, I don't think it ever went into drawdown. And the next pick is still Omnius. Update. Way to go. Join us next trading session for Chat's choice, guys. We are at 12 and 5. What's 12 and 5 on 17? 60. That's about a 66, 67% win rate. Almost a 70% win rate on Chat's choice. Learning while on vacation. Yeah, you're on vacation. Where'd you go? Just curious. Oh my God, Florida, 2 weeks. Everybody's in Florida. The world,
Why?
the world
Why in the world
happens
would
in
anybody go to
Florida.
Florida?
Ruan is not in Florida, but who else we got? We got Skeletor in Florida. Who's the other one in Florida? Not Bama.
Skeletor's in Florida?
Skeletor's in Florida. She's not Ruan. There's the other guy that's in Florida. There've
been a couple people.
Yeah.
There was the fishing slot, Florida.
There you go, fishing slot. But that's not the guy I'm thinking of. There's fishing slot,
Haven't
Florida.
seen one in a while.
Yeah, and then there's one more. Still one more.
Well, I'm allegedly in Florida. Remember?
Yeah, you're allegedly in Florida. Guys, I'm cutting out. I really think you guys should join in tomorrow for Chat's Choice. Chat's Choice is killing it. First one to call it out. Looking at the charts, 11:15, 11:45. We take a trade, 10-point take profit, 10-point stop loss. Currently 12 winners, only 5 losers.
Yes, I'm in Florida. Sweet.
Chat's killing it.
It was like in the 80s yesterday, and everybody was complaining they were cold.
Yesterday we had a good day. We could have eaten outside. The day before, no. It was too cold.
It was nice out yesterday and Saturday. Of course, we was at doing a bunch of water stuff.
Yeah, yeah, it's true. Just waiting for those pictures to get posted on the Discord.
Skeletor, later. See you tomorrow.
Just to let you guys know, you can always tell when Omnius is not amused with my jokes. He just shakes his head and he doesn't smile. Okay, I'm taking off. I'm hitting the close button.
You ain't going nowhere. You ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, I gotta go. My feet are swollen.
Oh my! You got a headache again?
I got it. Yeah, no, it's time to. That's it. I want to get some work done.
Skeletor, appreciate you hanging out.
Coming up to
See you
noon.
tomorrow. Ruin, Bama. Who else is there? Kevin, Woodchip, and Butters was there earlier. I don't know if they're still around.
Yeah.
Appreciate everybody hanging out. Hope everybody had a good day, or at least a decent day. See everybody tomorrow morning.
Take care, guys. See you tomorrow morning, 9:15 or earlier.
Earlier.